Welcome to my educative channel. I'm Dr. Ricardo Hoogstra, plastic surgeon, Buenos Aires, Argentina. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of the cheek in the facial aesthetic, and also the importance, the relationship between the lower eyelid and the cheek. We can see this patient. We can realize that this patient have no cheek at all, and also have a dark circle very big. And here, if we trace a line, a red line, we can see the lower lid cheek junction is here, and all this is the dark circle. And also this have a V shape, small V shape. It's literally round, but also the distance is very big. We can see a lower eyelid back, no cheek at all. This patient came to my country from Mexico. She accompanied her brother that is going to operate it lower eyelid and upper eyelid procedure. Here we can see the distance of the lower eyelid and the absence of the cheek. Here we can see a channel that we call this tear through. But this tear through is because have no cheek at all, and it's hard for me to make understand the patient the importance of the cheek. And I show these figures where there are very nice, very beautiful people, but all of them have an important cheek. And also there is a very small distance of the lower eyelid. But also we can say that the lower lid and cheek junction is almost not seen. Is that all like a unique unit? We can see all a very nice cheek, short distance of the lower eyelid, no lower lid cheek junction. Also this. Then what is the difference between the patient pre-treatment and post-treatment? This patient I suggest to put 4 hyaluronic acid syringes, and each syringe have 1 cc of hyaluronic. Then I suggest to put 2 here and 2 here. I put a pack of ice, then I make the injection. It's completely unpainful, and immediately we have this result. If you compare in this way, maybe you can see here, you can see a cheek, here you can see no cheek, here you can see a long distance of the lower eyelid, a big dark circle, here is lower. But if I put this line, you can see the real distance pre-op and post-op. Here is like a V, short V, and here is round. Here there is no cheek at all, and here there is a cheek. And this improvement is very, very, very important. And this procedure have no downtime, and the patient come 1 month, 2 days after the procedure and say, "Doctor, you are right, I need more because I feel very okay, I nice the result, but also I want to increase the volume of the cheek." The patient accompany the procedure Just she looked at the mirror and said, it's nice. I want a little more, or I want to stay 1 month, and after that I see I have put more. But this is for 10-minute procedure without downtime. Is an unbelievable result. You can see the difference here, but if I trace a line here, it's more understandable. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. I have a lot of more videos about lower eyelid procedures, my personal technique, and also dark circles, tear through, and aesthetic of the cheeks. Have a nice day.